Okay, y'all, so today I'm going to be doing a silk press, and I'm going to put y'all on to something. You may have seen the videos before or not, but I'm going to be using a Revair Blowdryer. And it took some getting used to because it's different. It's something new, something I haven't used before. And I actually like it. I did another client, and it took me about 30 minutes to blow dry her hair, and that was with the blow dry. And it stretches the hair as well. It does not have heat, so well, it has heat on the inside, but it does not blow out heat. It actually has reverse heat technology, so you can lay it like right on their hair and get close to the scalp as you can. And it doesn't burn because the air that pushes out of it is cool air, which I thought was pretty dope. If you want to get the roots straighter, I definitely recommend using smaller sections. But if you've been following me, you know when I do silk press, most of the time I press out the roots with the pressing comb. So it was I really didn't care about that because I knew I was going to straighten her roots anyway. But you definitely can do smaller sections and get straighter roots if that's what you desire.
Me twice.
Now I have been checking out this Wow stuff. So after I blow dry her entire head, I sprayed it down with the Wow spray, and honestly I think I like the Wow spray. I pressed her hair, and if you can see, her hair looks kind of rough, but I literally got it so silky with just pressing it that one time. Like it looked really good. And I have done her hair before, but she wears it curly when she doesn't get it straightened. So I definitely think the Wow, along with Technique and other products, made a big difference. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and invest in the bigger bottle of the Wow spray. And this flat iron that I'm using is a Paul Mitchell Neuro Smooth. I've literally been pressing with this flat iron for about 12 years. Yeah, maybe about 12 years. It's been a long time. I love it. It's titanium. It gets the hair straight. It's 1.5 inch. They last long. Curling is better with ceramic for most people, for most hair texture, especially when you're dealing with really coily hair. You need some titanium flat irons. They go up to 450 degrees, I believe, or 460. And if you work fast, you can absolutely go use it that high. But you must work fast. If you work slow, I definitely wouldn't recommend turning it up that high. So she's done. I've already pressed her hair, and now I'm just kind of going through it, and I'm gonna put some main glaze on there, and that's our heat protectant. And I'm just gonna give her a trim, literally just cutting her ends off, small ends. She was just here she was here like 2 months ago. So I'm not taking a lot off. just curling it with a 1-inch flat iron, and this one is Spy EAP Heat. It is a ceramic flat iron. As I say, I love to finish and curl with ceramic, but I love to do the initial press with titanium. I'm just going to spray her down with some of Nairobi's Gleam. It is a conditioning sheen spray, aka oil sheen. Very lightweight, and I love it because it doesn't make the hair greasy or anything.
Me twice.
Y'all, this is the finished result of the silk press. Y'all know the routine. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell to get notified, and I'll see you guys again for the next video.